Good evening. Here we are. We are at Grove City Christian School here for a pizza challenge and silent auction. There'll be a variety of pizzas here. One I am really excited for is Tammy's, which is one of the best, if not the best, in Grove City. Haven't had it for a while. It's to raise money for the Grove City Christian Band Boosters. So lots of different pizzas to try, silent auction, and they have a pizza eating contest. So I don't know what that entails, but either way, unlimited pizza, I'm all there. I'm really excited for it. So let's eat some pizza. Here we are in Grove City. It is a big turnout. As you can see, lots of people. The line is extremely long to get pizza. There are so many different pizza places. I ended up giving $20 to get into the pizza eating contest. So hopefully that will work. I'm truly excited for it. So until then. What do you think, guys? Think I got this?
Yeah! You got this! Yeah!
Who's gonna win?
Yeah!
Why?
Because you're awesome!
I got this.
Yeah!
They're rooting for me. I can do this. Baldy Pizza Reviews. I would like to give a huge shout out to the young individuals that were supporting me during my pizza eating contest. And those individuals are Reese, Liam, Finn, Jude, Carter, Cooper, and Oliver. I really appreciate your support through the entire event. You were rooting me on, and it doesn't go unnoticed. Also, wanted to give a big shout out to the Pizza Connoisseurs of Columbus Facebook page. If you have not joined the Facebook page, please search for it on Facebook, and this is a great resource for trying different pizza places throughout the Columbus area and surrounding areas. So eat more pizza and have a great day.